How to fix Dell laptop audio or sound not working. Now, I'll provide you specific factors as to why your sound is not working, and I will also provide you basic troubleshooting steps on how we can bypass and fix them. So first is at the lower right portion of your desktop, you should be able to see this sound or speaker option. Now, once you click on this sound or speaker icon, make sure that there is no X indicated into this toggle button so that it is currently not on mute. If you click this drop down menu from here, all of the output equipments that you attach to your laptop or to your Dell laptop will actually show here. Just make sure that you're on the correct output so that the sound will work. Now, next is to go into your search box and type in run. And then what you want to do is to type in SNDVOL and then hit on OK. Now, this is where you can figure out if you're currently under muted from your speakers or from your system sounds or from the application that is currently running on your laptop right now. Make sure that there is no mute option, but if there is, just simply higher the volume up so that you and the output sound will come out. Now, lastly is to go back into the search icon, type in services, and then from here, click anywhere inside the box and hit on W from your keyboard and go into this option here that says Windows Audio. Double click that, and then this small box will appear. Now, under Startup Type, make sure that this is set into automatic. Hit on apply, hit on OK, restart everything, and it should be working by now. If none of those steps are working, then it's probably coming out from the output or from the equipment that you attach into your Dell laptop. And that's how you fix Dell laptop audio or sound not working.